Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. All right, guys, say you're doing a remodel like I am in this kitchen area. Could be a bathroom, could be anywhere in the house, and you end up with a water leak and it floods your house. What are you going to do to get rid of that water? Well, a couple of things you're going to do is vac out that water. You're going to use dehumidifiers and you can use floor blowers like this here. This one is made by Arizonti, and Arizonti actually makes the dehumidifiers as well. They're very well known in that space. So they make a really good air blower. This is going to be a quarter horsepower. It's going to be 3 speeds. It goes all the way to 1100 CFM, has a timer built into it where it will go from 60 minutes to 3 hours. It is a squirrel driven system that has a cage. Now you can leave it flat like this. You can turn it on and it will blow straight across the floor. Another cool option on this is it has feet on the back. So this thing will be able to aim up. So even if I'm doing things like, say, drywall work and I just want to dry a wall, I can literally face this up to the wall and help dry everything. Painting, whatever it is that I'm trying to do, it will speed that process up. Even keeping yourself cool. If you're in a working environment, you can have it faced up like this and facing into the work area where you're at. Now, it does have a handle. It'd be able to carry it around. It even has a built-in plug on it, which is great. It comes in 3 different colors. And this is going to have a 10-foot long line, a heavy duty line. So you're not going to overheat this cord. And you're going to probably be able to reach a plug in most cases without having to use any extension cords. Now, I will tell you, I mentioned earlier that this is a squirrel-driven system. Squirrel-driven fans do not like to be picked up while they are running. If you're going to pick it up and move it, turn it to the off position and then pick it up. Or you will have a lot of noise and banging around with that squirrel, which I had in this particular unit. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in and turn it on so you can hear what it sounds like or how well it works. I mean, extremely strong. Now, this is, did you heard the little rattle? That's what I mean about don't move it much while it's running. Because that squirrel fan is hitting the sides. Take it and tilt it up. And it is extremely strong. I'll show you here. And then I can just simply turn it off. There's speed 2, speed 1, and off. So guys, whatever it is you're doing in the DIY world or the professional contractor world, you need a really good fan like this. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, pick one of those 3 colors that you actually like. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.